foodies! Slow cooker beef and barley with mushrooms today I'm making, but what you've got to remember is the slow cooker might not be able to heat your whole house, but I'll tell you this much, it'll warm up your winter days and help you to feel good and warm in your tummies and the whole thing, because at Carpizzo's we try to warm up your winter days here, and that's part of doing things using a slow cooker in the winter time. So what we have is we have some mushrooms for this slow cooker beef and mushrooms. I also have some beef behind me here, cut and ready to go. Okay, there's some beef. I have some beef stock right here, beef stock, about 1 quart. I have some tomato sauce, about 8 ounces. I have some bay leaves, and I have some salt and pepper and a little garlic powder, okay? And then in this bowl I have some veggies. I have celery, I have some carrot, and I have some onion. And these are all going to go in our slow cooker. And then, of course, the pièce de résistance is our barley, okay? And what I do is I don't take all the water out of it. I like to soak it while I'm doing it. But here's what barley looks like when it's soaked. You can soak it for about an hour or not soak it. The slow cooker is going to go for about 6 hours here today. And it's going to do its job. It'll puff up and thicken up everything because barley is a grain. And barley is good for fiber. So there we go. So remember, we're going to make shorts. Please watch the shorts as I go through the steps of putting this together and hitting the on button, because we are at Carpizzo's cooking to keep us warm in the winter. This is Peter Carpizzo's, as always, out.